You'll be begging us to call you Ted again.
Oh, yeah. You got that one in.
Did I miss a yellow
Over
mark?
to the left.
Too many.
No?
Yeah, should we go left?
Let's go left.
Going on.
Okay, more yellow marks
All
coming
right,
up.
there we are. Did miss that one.
Waypoint 4. The seafloor hasn't really changed all that much, has it?
No, it's been very
Okay.
consistent. It was radical at the beginning of the dive, and then it just settled into this.
Well, I never saw.
What
Whoa,
is it?
what was
What
that?
is it? Can I come up a little bit?
Yeah, yeah.
What?
What
Oh
are
my
you?
gosh, is that a squid?
It kind of looks like it.
You
Is
mean-
that a giant squid?
No.
Looks
No.
like it. No, it's not a giant squid.
Hello?
No, I think it's an
That
octopus. isn't it?
is,
It's
maybe.
collapsed.
Shows
Yeah,
you a
it's-
little partial on this
I'm-
stalk.
I don't know.
Tilting down, tilting
Yeah, it's
down.
just got the seas folded down, I think.
What did you say?
So for our viewers, you'd have to switch over to the Atlanta view
on.
on
Yeah.
channel 2 to see what we just saw. Go back a few
It had
seconds.
like a glowing,
Okay.
2 glowing
Cooperative
spots.
camera.
I think we're good on
Yeah.
All right, so we're on this one.
Very cool.
Come on, Ryan, you're not going to get that in frame.
Oh, God.
Urchin there.
'Cause my camera takes like a blood sacrifice to tilt, so.
Todd's right there, right? You
No,
can
it's
just
my
use him.
camera.
Yeah, you can use him for your camera.
Oh, we're into murdering Todd now.
He has a shot call already, right? Not that big of a step. Consistently flat and covered in rocks.
Looked like from the dive plan that there was another slight chance that we could break that 5,200 meter depth limit.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's
Just
exciting.
barely fell short of on the last dive.
Yeah.
What was it, 51.98 on the last dive?
Yeah, it was.
Oh.
Needed like 1.5 meters.
Oh. More logs.
What's Atalanta's depth record? It was earlier this season, right?
6 something, right?
The depth rating is 6, so it wasn't quite there.
That would be disastrous.
Yeah, there's margins.
Sponge.
I don't know.
I think we went
Yeah.
like 5,500-ish.
There are definitely margins. But
Was that like Mariana?
No,
one?
that's when we in Papahanaumokuakea, we're supposed to use Little Herc to do the
Yeah, we
World
get
War
a zoom
II
on that, please.
aircraft, and
Yes,
then they just use
stand by one.
Atalanta.
okay, tilt on and zoom in, please.
So it's incredible that we're able to go that deep with just Atalanta and be
Yeah.
imaging shipwrecks and not
Ooh,
mess
look at that
anything up.
crinoid.
That's cool.
Great.
That's
Double
very
it,
much.
beautiful.
double it.
Double it.
Okay.
Yes. Always double it. Wow.
Cool.
Yeah, those things
Thank you.
should be able to swim through the water column, but we have not yet seen one swim, unfortunately. But there's still time.
I've only seen
Okay,
one
Matt.
swim the whole over a year now that I've been
Really?
doing. Yeah.
Well, I bet it was beautiful.
Only once. Yes. It was awesome.
Wow, an hour's already gone by. More than an hour. What a time warp when you're in this
Yeah.
seat compared to that seat. This is like New York minutes, and the Atalanta seat is like football minutes. I'm serious.
Yeah.
See, it's fun though. You get to just sit back and watch.
True. But are you making like logs to the very
Circular,
minute?
Crab
Yeah.
circles.
That was
Yeah.
from
crab
the
circles.
that spoon worm or the acorn worm.
Oh yeah?
Yep. That's what we figured out.
Oh wow.
One was in the middle of making it, and it was
Okay.
in that spiral shape. Pretty sweet.
So I wonder if crop circles are actually like a huge sandworm that comes up from the middle of the cornfield and makes these concentric designs.
Yes, dune worms are
Yeah, let's go
real.
over
I
this
think
one,
so.
I think.
I'd believe it. Is that a little holothurian there?
There's 2, I think. There's another one there.
Let's zoom in on one just for fun.
The clear one or the white one? I'm sent on the white one at the moment.
Let's do that one.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, Jaina.
Wow. Looks like it has something in its head. Like it accidentally ate a crustacean or something. Very cool. It's rearing up.
Those sucker feet look so cool. Do you want to do a double on the
Yes,
sucker
Yeah.
please.
What's
let's
the
do
technical
that.
word for sucker feet?
Tube feet.
Tube feet. Okay,
Yeah.
that wasn't so off.
No, it wasn't. You were spot on. The coolest thing about tube feet is that they're used in like a hydraulic pressure system. With the water, they suck in and out of their like little tube feet system. And so they suck it in and suck it out.
All right,
Getting
lost it.
behind.
Gotta go.
Very cool.
Zoom, zoom.
Bye,
Tilting up a
holothurian.
touch, and we're good.
Tilting up. Tilt up.
So we're about 5,059 meters deep. I think that's more than a mile, right?
1.6.
Is this another one of these
1.6?
transparent?
Yeah, I'll work it out.
Yeah, Tunicate.
I am behind, but we'll do a flyby.
Okay.
Tilt on if you want it.
A little tilt down as I fly
Wow.
by.
Pretty neat.
They're so large.
It has those gonad
3
structures
miles.
again, right? 3 miles. We're 3 miles deep.
Okay, let's go.
Are we?
We're good on tilt.
Tilt off.
Tunicate.
3 miles deep.
Check your ruler.
Oh, I left my ruler in my room.
Um,
Ugh, he gave me the coolest little ruler. What does your ruler say?
we are
If we're about
Yep.
5,000 meters.
about 3 miles deep.
3 miles deep. It's pretty awesome.
3.107. It's right around 5
You-
kilometers.
Someone asked if drunk kangaroos are the ones that really made crop circles. I feel like maybe it was drunk farmers.
Drunk kangaroos.
Yeah.
Got all those drunk kangaroos in the Midwest in the U.S.
Yeah, those are really common. I've never heard that theory before.
Don't know why no one ever thought of that.
In Kansas.
Seems obvious now.
If you get far enough ahead, Todd, let's just do a flick.
Okay.
A white fleck.
Fleck check.
Fleck check. Sometimes they're gastropods, sometimes pteropod shells.
Candidates there, all right.
A few times
Yep.
they were nematodes.
Bivalve?
Yeah,
Few
bivalve too.
Bivalves? Really?
Yeah. I think I remember that time.
Okay, Jaina. Fleck check.
Fleck check.
Okay, pteropod on
Check
the
your
top.
fleck.
And
Yeah,
I don't know what the bottom one
pteropod.
is. Is it a little tiny
Could
sponge?
we do the bottom
double
right, please?
Give us everything you've got.
Pumping up, pumping
down
up.
the barrel of the pteropod shell there, or
Ah. Yeah, maybe. Looks shelly.
Cool, thank you.
Thank you.
what are
Okay.
pteropods? What's
You said what are pteropods?
Yeah.
Those are little, so they're mollusks that usually swim around in the water column, and they have internal
Okay, Matt,
shells.
we're good.
So one example, I believe, is the sea angel. So it's really pretty. You can look up a picture of that. Also, another example is the sea butterfly. And so they have these little shells, and they, bop around the water. And then they fall to the ground after they die, and their shells are left behind.
And their
Pretty cool.
shells are calcium carbonate, you know? The silicon, aren't they?
No, Don't know what their
They
shells
seem
are.
to be
Let me see.
they seem to persevere really well.
Pteropod shells composition. Good question. Aragonite.
Aragonite,
I think maybe. Let me
that's,
look it for marine.
that's even less stable than calcite. That should definitely dissolve quickly.
Well, I'm no pteropod shell expert.
Yeah, that's
Aragonite's
amazing.
the same mineral that pearls are made out of, isn't it?
Oh, I don't know about that. It's just a different crystal form of calcium carbonate, I thought.
Yeah, you're right, it is. So it seems like that's a very fragile way to live in this current climate.
Oh.
That's
They
another
must-
little sponge there.
So maybe that's what we're seeing. The mysterious white gunk is an old pteropod shell or something that's broken down.
Maybe. I'm not sure about that gunk stuff.
Oh, bryozoan. Okay. And another one, is it?
Oh yeah, 2 bryozoans.
I think so. Maybe it's a little holothurian. Okay.
The bryozoans are real small and to the bottom and right. Someone was asking how you get into this sort of work. You know, do you have to go to university for marine biology or engineering and then hope for an opportunity? And I don't think that's the case for everybody on board. I know Maddie's a journalist. I know not all the ROV, engineers and pilots may have gone the, maybe
Yeah, wait, we've got time.
basic route.
Where?
Oh,
left.
on-
Up to the left.
Yeah. There you go. Just zoom
But
in
it
on
does
that.
help if you have a background in some sort of marine science or biology or some sort of engineering.
That little
or
blob right near
Yeah,
you.
Yeah.
that's all it was, mate. It's the biggest thing I could see.
Okay. Gina,
There's a
we're
few
good for Zoom?
geologists on board. Let's see. Oh, that's
Bryozoan.
interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, that one ran away from me. I'm coming back up. All right.
Did everyone here go to university of some
Well,
sort?
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Let's zoom out and look up.
I have an undergraduate degree in electrical engineering.
Yeah?
Yeah, but I wasn't specifically looking to get into subsea
We'll get on tilt.
at that time. Just kind of
And
fascinated with exploring.
Yeah.
And before I started working at Deep Sea, I was actually looking for work in developing cameras and imaging systems for space exploration.
That's pretty cool.
But had this chance to work at Deep Sea and have been focused on inner space exploration, which is very cool. Don't get to fly through alien worlds in real time with space rovers and things like that. So this is quite the treat.
Some people would say that the deep sea isn't too far from an alien world itself.
I think especially when you run across habitats that are, things like the chemosynthetic vent habitats, and where the basis of the food chain is not directly photosynthetic or even indirectly photosynthetic.
Got a chance to zoom in on that little fella.
Really does give you that
Okay,
alien
stand
world
by.
feel.
That's a fish.
I agree.
It's official, is it?
Lasers off,
It's a
please.
fish.
It's officially a fish.
A fish.
I think we've seen those ones before. While we're
Okay,
here,
Gina, go in
Good.
as I settle in.
Let's zoom.
Tilt on, tilting down.
Yes, our Leucicorus.
great,
Cuskeel. Beautiful.
awesome, thank you.
Nice view of
Small,
the
isn't it? A little one. Young one.
Dorsal.
He's still, can we try to take a sharp, tight zoom on us? Oh, now he's
Yeah,
lifting
let's-
off. Well, we can still track him a little bit.
Oh, yeah, we
Stand
totally
by on
could.
that zoom.
Oh,
Hold.
follow him. Yay. Oh, he's standing still for us.
Steady. Jana, if you can zoom out just a touch and then hold it. Let me try to,
Oh, you can see the
Get it
shine in
steady.
his eyes.
there we are.
Wow, that was good.
And just hold that zoom or else I get all wonky and disoriented. Yes.
Nice.
Here, killjoy, Rye.
I really wanted to check out that stem, but okay. Let's go.
That's me, Killjoy.
I think I
Killjoy
just
Rye.
took a billion photos of that fish.
60 of them a second.
How many seconds would it take to take a billion if it was 60 a second?
That's
that
a
out.
lot.
A billion's a big number. So that's a billion.
I'm a little bit trigger happy with the still captures. I think I
Divided
pollute
by
the feed
60.
sometimes.
Where am I?
I thought you were...
It's only 16 million seconds.
Yeah, we're there. I just got behind.
Yeah, you're just
Only
behind.
16
You didn't push the
million.
shock collar quickly.
4,700
early enough.
hours.
Well, I was trying to
Like-
give you the most amount of time.
All right.
All right, come
There,
forward a
6
bit.
months.
Coming left.
You get there in about 6 months.
6 months, I can take 1 billion photos. It's easy.
You don't realize how rich a
Beautifully.
billionaire is, eh? Because it's just it's an incredibly big number. We just rattled off
True.
1 billion. It's not very big. It's just one of them.
All right, tilting my camera back to forward.
Oh, hi Aunt Cheryl. How's Chicago? Yeah, this is very, very cool. Although, if you come back and Matt, do you know roughly how long it will take to reach that knoll structure?
The knoll structure.
The
that we
The seamount, the
dove
baby?
before.
Oh yeah, no, the one that coming up at the end of this dive.
Lots of
Oh,
time.
how fast do
Sorry,
you want
my
to go?
bad.
Oh, can you imagine him when he was a young fella? Oh, dear.
I imagine everyone I meet as like how they were when they were young.
Do you?
Yeah, it's a really fun pastime for me. But on our current track right now.
Let's see. At point 3, we are. So 17. That's fine. Let's call it 16. Say 11 hours, give or take.
Oh,
All right, 11 hours. Hi, Ruby and Simon. These are my cousins. They're watching the live right now.
cool.
Come back in 11 hours and you'll see some pretty cool rocks.
It's a very small reach you're ending on. Nothing terribly impressive.
Well, could be impressive. You never know.
The next dive should be a bit more.
Around Rarotonga.
Yeah, I mean, the sediment will be totally different. It'll be volcanic
True.
rubble. I'm not sure what life we'll see. We did one test dive off it once, but it was only for a few minutes just to squeeze test the ROV, and then we moved on, whereas this will be the first ROV traverse up any of the seamounts in the Cook Islands.
That'll be fun.
Yeah.
Never know what we'll find.
Do you want to zoom in on that one?
This
Follow
little
your
stalk here?
instinct there.
Go
Yeah.
ahead, Jana.
Let's do it.
Tilting down.
I think there's some of those little amphipod creatures on there.
Oh, is that what's next to it? Is that
Next to it.
Is it Brozon? No, it's something else.
I have no idea what
That
that
thing
is.
there,
It's also covered in that same growth, though.
Yeah.
If you swing over to the left for a second too, it looked like
Almost
there
looks
was
like one of those
something on
brown fuzzy
one of
things we
the
were seeing a
adjacent
lot of.
rocks.
Yeah.
Been
A
left.
little bit
Yeah.
less irregular, more irregular.
And pull out just a hair. Not too far. Never mind.
All right.
What are we looking at?
TikTok.
TikTok.
Yep. Let's go.
We're going.
Okay.
Good with tilt.
Tilda.
You good with that one? Cool.
This little one?
Yeah.
Amphipod on stalk.
Yeah.
Oh, looks like Todd wants to look.
Getting behind. I gotta go.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Too far back from Atalanta.
Sure.
It's contagious, you know.
Is it?
Mm.
There's some tubes there coming up from the seafloor.
Okay.
Tubes that we just passed over or
Yep.
coming up ahead?
No, we just passed over them.
Oh, okay, okay.
Little
There's
fish.
a fish.
Oh, fish. Missed the fish.
Did we lose Madison?
an interaction.
Yeah, she's doing an interaction right now. She'll be
It's like,
back.
Did she fall asleep back there? No.
How are yawns contagious just by hearing them?
Yawn.
They are.
Yeah.
Yes, all right.
Just by hearing them.
I think it's a mental thing. Who is controlling the zoom in out camera work? It's so wonderful. That would be our lovely video engineer, Jaina.
We love Jaina.
We love Jaina.
I love Ryan. I love Sandy.
Yeah, let's zoom in on this one then, Jaina. Thanks, Todd.
Okay.
Put your work to the test.
Okay, Todd.
Okay.
Oh, is that a little crinoid? Yeah. Very cute.
Is it a stalked crinoid? Or
Uh,
is this a mobile
A what?
one?
Ooh, pretty.
Wow.
It
I
might
think-
be one of the stalked ones.
Yeah, I think the stalk goes to the top of the old stalk, eh? He's just
Yeah.
got itself an extension rod.
It also
That's
had that
beautiful.
kind of like ring of pearls morphology to the base of the stalk that I think
Yeah.
we've seen on some of those ones that have the tendrils coming off the tips of the arms.
I agree. It's a very delicate creature.
Good, Matt.
Aaron could put his microphone closer to his mouth.
Yeah, he is. Oh, yeah, I can turn it up for you, I think.
Bryozoan there, maybe? Think so?
Perhaps. Oh, look at that. Let's go to that big stalk
Yeah.
there. That looks pretty cool.
Dun, dun, dun.
And the other little round thing that we're passing is another glass sponge. This one looks tall and exciting. Let's go there. You know, we've seen a lot of these tall stalks, but none of them had the head of the sponge on.
Ooh.
Yeah.
What do you think it's got on the stalk?
It's a shame.
The growth,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Have
This
we
has
seen
been
any
all over.
zoanthids yet?
No, I have not seen any zoanthids, but maybe if we get like a real good zoom.
It looks
Trying to
like
get a
my
better angle.
straw cleaner.
Yeah, I know what you're
You're
talking
doing
about.
a full
Wow,
providing
spiral right
360.
now.
Manual zoom.
just so you
Yeah,
know.
we're a little too close. It's out of the light. Sorry, I'm trying.
Okay.
You need to spin around
Yeah, okay.
this way.
Trying to get this
You
thing
can
back
really
to
see
full
the-
lights.
The texture of it.
I don't think those don't look like zoanthids to me.
No, I don't think those are
I do not have a
either.
visual on you.
I do have
Just
to go.
FYI.
All right,
Okay.
time to
Okay,
zoom.
okay.
Sorry.
For
Yeah,
all of
nice.
our...
You're straightening out.
Less than optimal.
It's okay, you'll get another chance.
That was a nice pirouette, though.
It was wonderful, wonderful piloting
A little
work,
too
Todd.
close.
This one's tough. I feel like the telling when it's gonna fall into the shadow is really hard.
Matt, can you hit the tilt on again for
Yep,
a second?
sorry about
I
that.
left it a little too high. Okay, we're good. Pushing out, pushing out, pushing out.
Quick question,
Oh,
Todd.
hi, Megan.
Oh,
Go for your question.
when you've got this little ROV on full thrust forward, how fast do you get up to? You seem to be able to make up ground really quickly.
That's a good question. Most of these little ROVs will go like 2 knots, maybe 3,
Yeah.
Wow.
but you don't have great control. It's about control, right? More than speed.
Yeah.
That's really
Yeah.
what's important.
Okay.
Although a little bit of extra thrust authority is never a bad thing.
So you kind of just crank it up slowly, do you? To get.
Try
Like-
to, yeah.
yeah.
Especially when we're zoomed in. Like
Oh,
the
yeah.
teeniest little heading change. The vehicle's really powerful in heading
Yep.
because of the
You
moment
want to go for
created by
this
the
or
differential
for this?
We
thrust.
could go to the little thing on the left.
Twitchy.
Oh, it's okay, it's out of view.
Okay.
No, I think it was a bryozoan.
Yeah.
You want to pan left?
Squirrely and heading.
And left.
Ah, let's go straight on ahead. To the
Straight on
sponge.
ahead?
Yeah, straight on ahead.
This way.
No.
No. Okay.
Let's zoom in on that. Now that
Illustrations
you come all the way over here.
What did you circle around?
I don't know what it is really. Something on a
You
little
guys
horizon.
should just
Oh.
write help on the screen.
Yeah, at
Okay,
this
Gina, go
point.
ahead.
Turn back now.
Oh, it is a little bryozoan, isn't it?
Great, thank you, Todd. We can go back
That's
back
wonderful.
the way we were going before we went the way before we were going.
Three drawings ago.
Just trying to keep everybody happy.
You're doing a wonderful job.
All right.
What's this?
Another tunicate?
Oh,
have a moment?
let's zoom in on this.
Right? We got a minute, right?
Yep.
These are so strange.
You got time.
Question, what are you mainly trying to locate? From Ruby Fuenmar. Hi, Ruby, first of all. This,
Okay, Jaina.
that's really cool. Let's look at this real quick. Wow. Tunicate.
In it.
I don't know. But it's beautiful. This is a chordate, so it's technically a part of the vertebrate creatures.
Huh.
But it loses all the notochords and everything as it ages into these big structures. So weird. So pretty.
So, if I was down there and I touched it, is it like scrunchly?
Scrunchly?
Squishy?
Yeah, it's
Crispy?
squishy. The
Okay.
shallow ones are called sea squirts because
Okay.
if you take them off the ground, you can like squish them and the water will come, you know,
Yeah.
come squirting out.
Okay, lifting off.
Get going.
Wonderful. Thank you for that zoom. We are mainly trying to
Okay, Matt,
understand more about the benthic diversity, distribution, and density
Small
of
fish.
organisms.
Very small fish.
There's a little shrimp there.
Shrimp or fish?
Looks
That's a
shrimpy.
little bitty fish.
Let's zoom in.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's a
Too
fish.
close.
fish.
Oh, a fish.
Cool.
Small fish.
Look at
Have
his
to zoom
organs.
Okay.
Very, very soon.
Wow.
All right. It has
Thought the
more
first,
of the
like-
split tail. So
Yeah,
it's-
that's the
Yeah.
first
Alright,
we've
get
seen
moving.
of that.
Gotta go.
That
Back to the
tunicate, yeah.
Okay.
yeah, that
That's-
wasn't one of the.
I'm cutting you off.
No, not at all. Interesting. But yeah, we're also looking at the
Alright.
different types of substrates, so the different
full beans.
full
right
beans
there.
ahead.
Oh,
Hey
Oh,
Todd.
that is actual full beans.
Hey Todd, I'm giving you
Wow,
permission
that's
to
all right.
touch your mic and move it closer to your mouth.
Okay.
That was such a gentle way of being.
In other words, speak up.
But yeah, looking at different types of seafloor and comparing the creatures that live on it. So right now we're on a bunch of irregular crust fragments, yeah? On an abyssal
Yeah.
plain.
Yep.
Yep. And we've dove on seamounts and knolls. That,
I'm still pushing because
Yeah, no
you're
worries.
tilted down, right?
Yeah. I'm just making my way up town.
Did you all get that worm
that we just passed over
from a minute ago? Yeah.
very briefly.
Zoom in
I didn't
Alright,
get any
slowing
pictures
down.
of it.
I got some here, but
Did you?
All right.
Sweet.
Now you
Oh,
can smell,
There's
there's
a
another
fish.
little fish.
smell
fish.
the roses.
This maybe, this is a little sponge up, these little white dots there.
These ones here. Do you want to?
Those are just flecks. Never mind, let's go on.
Yep. I've got a little bit of time now.
Hmm?
He's made up a lot of ground. He's many coins in his bank.
That is true. I got zoom to spare.
There's nothing to look at right now. Wow.
Maybe that's an urchin over to the left.
You want to go look at that?
Is that a shrimp straight ahead or a
Yeah.
Let's
fish?
zoom in on the shrimp,
Okay.
just in case it is another one of those little fish.
Okay, Jaina. That is a very small shrimp.
Yeah. Aw.
Sweet. Okay. Do you want to go and look at the white thing?
Let them go. Yeah, let's.
Got a bit of time.
Okay, Jaina.
Urchin.
Sweet.
Nice.
Double it.
Let's double it. Nice. Wow. It looks like a little pin cushion. We have so many pictures of these, we'll definitely be able to ID it once we're going through.
All right.
Yep.
Thank you. Urchin.
Good on tilt, Matt. Thanks.
Another anemone.
Oh, really?
Yeah, bottom right, off screen.
Okay.
Maybe one of the tube-based ones stuck on the sediment.
Yeah, let's check
Another-
that out.
Oh, yeah,
Just
let's
like-
look at that.
acorn worm, maybe?
I hope it's a worm.
There's a nice
like
coiled
it.
scat behind
Maybe
it,
it'll
yeah.
slurp back into the sand.
It looks like a worm.
Oh, I think he is.
Making a
Possibly
crop
making
circle.
one of those coiled casts.
Okay, Jaina.
Yay. Wow.
Tilting down.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, you can see it moving. Very slowly.
The diameter
Is
of
RV
that worm is
doubled?
like 99% intestine.
Yeah, it is.
All right, thank you. It's got
That is
something
so cool.
Wow. Beautiful.
on the way out. Look at something up here. So let's keep zooming out. There it is. You zoom in on
Is
that,
that a
please.
xeno?
Quick
I'm
zoom
not sure.
on
Right there.
Xeno 5-4.
tilting up.
It's an unusual form.
Oh, no, that looks like those farriedae sponges totally encrusted
Yeah.
with sediment.
Exactly.
Wow,
Time to go.
That's
that's pretty neat.
end of its life, I suppose.
Yeah, dead farriedae
We're good, Matt. Thanks.
sponge, question mark. Do we ever do deep dives with scuba gear? Well, we're 5,000 meters, just about, and I don't think that's possible with scuba gear, as far as I'm aware. I think
I don't know what the crush depth of a scuba bottle is, but I suspect it's well above
not,
5K.
yeah. We can go in submarines to this depth. I've never, but a lot of people on this boat have. But scuba diving, no. But it is still pretty cool.
So scuba gear is pressurized to what? 3,000 pounds? 3,000 PSI in a bottle?
I think so.
And we're at roughly 7,500 PSI.
Wow. Quite a big
So
difference
you wouldn't
there.
you wouldn't be able to get the air out of the bottle, eh?
No.
You'd have to be sucking really hard.
Yeah, you'd use all the air in one take, if you could get it out. I think that was a fish over to the right a second ago.
Oh, yeah. Good spot.
Oh, there he is.
Are you looking at that sponge or the fish?
The little
fish straight ahead.
Yeah. Or the fish in the water column.
I think that's the
This
sponge.
is
Oh.
one of the split tail.
Okay, go for partial before it gets too
I've
close.
been awake too long.
Oh, that's really.
Ooh, that's nice. That's small fish, very small fish.
Very small.
That's a lot of modules.
And you're right, it does have that sort of lunate tail, which is not typical for fish down here. Yeah, very wriggly. More wriggly than most fish.
No, I'll let him go.
Baby fish.
We don't have an ID on that fish, do we?
I don't. I have not seen that fish before. Potentially, let's look. Potentially juvenile. Small fish. Could be a lanternfish.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Maybe a lanternfish.
Mini crinoid just went off screen, bottom right.
Yep.
Maybe. We'll have to double check later. Looks like another bryozoan that just popped out from the bottom.
Should we look at that?
Yeah, shall we go to that little stalk?
Okay, Jaina.
Ooh, that's pretty
Tilting
cool.
up. Tilting up.
We have seen this before.
Yeah. But not for a while, I guess.
Yeah, not for a while. Looks like another sponge that's been... dusted on by sediment. Yeah. Very cool.
All right,
Thank you.
I'm
Let's
coming up.
continue on.
The shape of that reminded me of the signs in some of the heads here, instructing on the proper use of toilet brushes.
Yeah.
Is there a story behind those that we should be aware of?
I was wondering that.
The proper use of what?
A
Toilet
toilet brush.
Oh,
Maybe they just think we're generally incompetent and need to be reminded.
honestly, sometimes when I find an empty milk carton still in the fridge, I would tend to agree.
Yeah.
Bro, somebody's been doing that a lot recently. Who is it?
Yeah, who is it?
And it's always the oat milk too. I'm like, are you kidding me?
We gotta watch
No,
out
it's
who
also
uses the oat milk.
the cow milk too.
Really?
It's another one of those bottle brush. Like
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right in front of it.
Good word for it. Let's zoom into this little white structure up ahead, though.
Okay, Jaina.
Sweet.
Ugh, lovely.
Okay.
Made me till just bullseyed that.
That
Rather
was
be
good.
lucky than good.
Very good, thanks, Todd.
Thank you.
Farriedae
Beautiful
sponges.
Why
glass
they pay him,
sponge.
presume that.
No tilt Todd.
I don't know.
Gonna go look at the stalk just in case.
We've only got 15 minutes left of Todd. I think we should
Oh
switch
my
over
gosh.
to praising him.
I know. Okay, Todd, we love you again.
And silence.
Yeah, he's like, in the room is silent.
It's a lovely thought, right? But
Way to hold little Herc's
Okay,
heading
Jaina.
still.
Ooh.
Oh, look at that. On the sponge.
A whole bunch of.
Can we
whatever those
double?
are.
Double. You going for double, Jaina?
guess so.
Yay.
You don't have
Aw.
long hair.
Those hydroids.
Right to the top.
Oh, bryozoans there.
Cool.
Worm.
Let's tilt
Feather
this for the jerky.
dusters.
Yeah.
It's looking jerky.
Oh, going down.
Feather
Great,
dust.
thank you.
All right,
Beautiful.
get moving.
Time to go.
So were those little feather duster worms?
I think so, because they were coming out of those little tubes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I think you're right. I'm surprised we haven't seen any coral, aside from that one Antipathes,
Incredible, isn't it?
Antipatheria.
Like that yesterday too.
Yeah? We're seeing plenty
Or
of,
the last dive, rather.
yeah,
Yeah, there's one there.
the sponge there.
Bottle brush.
Yeah.
Let's keep on moving. There's a little urchin there.
I haven't noticed any of the like mushroom morphology.
Yeah. Me neither. The xenophyophores.
Oh, what's that? Is that
Ooh,
another?
holoth.
Uh,
Let's go down and check it out.
That's a large bryozoan.
Ooh.
Okay, Jaina.
Yeah, it is. You can see all the lophophores extended. That's pretty neat.
nice shot.
They're also filter feeders, just like most of the creatures down here. But they don't have little tentacles. They just have a little fan.
we zoom in on that, please?
On
Too late.
what?
Ah, that's all right.
Do we have time, Rye, for me to back up a whisker?
If you're fast.
Might have a little sediment in my
Oh.
face. Is it gonna clear?
Nice. Oh.
Okay, Jaina.
What
Yes.
is that?
No, it's over here.
Looks
Alright.
like a chopsticks package.
Gotta pick up.
Okay, gotta go.
That was actually what I was after, that one there. That's all right, let's go.
Someone has
We're
a
good, Matt?
question. Have you ever lost an ROV, and if so, was it Todd's fault?
Jeez.
I got the public ragging on you too.
I know, this is crazy.
Todd is a very
He's
very
very
smooth
skilled.
ROV operator.
Yeah.
And he's really good at getting flying zooms.
I think
Yeah,
you're the
it's
best
true.
at it, honestly.
That's, yeah. Don't tell the other pilots.
Behind Rye, that is.
Of course.
Hey, Rye's next in the hot seat. She's
Yeah.
pretty darn smooth too.
You're
I
doing
like watching you
pirouettes.
guys get the flying zooms because
Yeah,
those are
it's
still
really nice.
those are still really tough for me.
No, we've never lost an RV, and it would never be Todd's fault
No.
if we did.
The shrimp down on the right.
Little shrimp there.
Actually,
They have lost
Yeah,
an
I was like,
ROV.
Oh.
I was like, what's ours?
Never mind. Don't listen
Was
to
it your
me.
fault though?
Yeah, super lost an
No.
ROV before.
I wasn't
What's
on board
that
for
story?
either time.
Red shrimp.
Well,
It was your
Like
fault.
lost.
If you'd been on board and
Oh,
been on
look
the
at
sticks,
that.
it would never have happened.
oh, good point, huh?
It's kind of your fault.
We had a little incident off the coast of Newfoundland a number of years ago. It wasn't an ROV though. It's an AUV.
Hmm.
And it just disappeared. Later parts of it washed up on the beach.
Oh no.
It's tragic.
It's kind of sad, yeah.
The AUV that went missing under the Totten Glacier. That's it was a Hugin.
One of the big ones,
Mm-hmm.
the Superior.
I don't think it was Superior. Next one down. It's the one that Gothenburg had.
This particular one was a Remus 1500, outfitted with about a 5-foot long section of payload that we built and developed ourselves, with side scan and multi-beam and stereo imaging and a little smarts bottle, and yeah,
Dagger.
it was bad.
Let's have a quick look at that.
Video swap.
Bye, Jaina.
Bye.
Bye, Jenna.
So, yeah.
Thank you, Jaina. You're the best video person.
Thank you, Todd. Ooh, say it louder.
Agree.
Don't tell Dave.
Or Ed.
Ed is contractually obligated to accept blame for.
Oh, I
everything that goes
remember
wrong.
Oh, yeah,
that. That's
I have
true.
heard his apologies.
Okay, I'm gonna keep going since Jaina's
Keep going.
not in the seat anymore.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fine.
Just passing over the sponge.
We should be finding an octopi in about 15 minutes.
No, don't say that. If that really does happen
I'm
again,
telling you guys, it's not gonna happen until
You're
noon.
changing shifts, right?
yeah, I will stay up for 24 hours. I'll catch it.
Well, you caught the last one. The one before last. You were sitting in that seat when it happened.
True, but I wasn't really supposed to be there. Michael was standing
No,
there
well, we
waiting
had-
for me to switch.
I don't think it matters. I think even just seeing him, even downstairs, if it's real time, it's quite cool.
Yeah, it is true.
That little crinoid, is it?
Looks like it, yes.
Doesn't look that greenish colour.
There was a pretty good size, looked like another one of those tube anemones.
Still no video engineer
Oh.
in the seat, so that's
All
what.
right, well, I'm changing out too, but it was wonderful. Wonderful watch, you guys. See you
Bye,
later.
Sadie.
Bye.
See
Bye.
ya.
All right, we got the 4 to 8 back there, getting settled in their seats, slowly waking up.
Good morning.
I'm gonna do a quick log.
Good morning,
for
Dave.
Stay here.
Morning all.
Is this another tunicate?
Looks like it to me.
With another thing on it.
Yeah, what is that thing on it? That it's not on it, I think it's part of it, right?
Is it?
Yeah, all 3 of them that we've seen have had this same.
Hmm.
Dave, are you ready for
More
camera
opaque.
operations?
Yes, sir.
Okay, want to zoom in? Go for it. Do you want to double it right on that part of its gut? What is that?
Guts of some kind.
It's the pilot.
That's the pilot. Yeah. Right, do I have to go? It's about time, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna lift off.
Atlanta's lost you.
Yeah. I'm leaving you behind. Going solo.
Happy with your tilt then?
Done. Yep, thank you, Matt. Settling back in. Up and over the little critters.
Oh, what was that? It's a little different. It's not one of those bottle brush things.
What? Sorry? Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'll cover you.
I can cover you if you want to go down.
If he wants to.
Sure. Never mind.
Howdy, Dave. Are you guys still waking up back there? You're awfully quiet.
They are still getting their headsets on.
Oh, okay.
Oh, please don't complain. That's a good thing.
I haven't heard a peep out of them.
Long may it continue.
I know. He's good. He is like on it before you even think about it. Shall we have a look at this? Maybe, Dave, maybe this will wake up our second row.
We're here. Good morning.
Go for it, Dave.
Thank you.
Zoom it will.
Good morning, team. Wah, wah, wah.
That little critter. The third one is Will.
Seems like
That's
this
right.
might be partially dead sponge. I'm not sure what the white objects are, if those are little crustaceans or something else.
Looks like some amphipods in there. Although I don't know what the centerpiece is.
I don't know.
I'm going to bump up just a little bit.
I see their little eye spots.
Those are John and
yeah,
Paul.
Nice little amphipods hanging out in this possibly sponge tree.
Okie dokie.
Thanks, gang.
Let's roll. Oh, we got a fish.
Oh, goody.
I'm good on silt. Thanks.
Yay, fishy fish.
Starting the morning with a fish.
We
And
always
it's-
start our dives strong.
I know, right? And this is looking like a
Well.
faceless cusk eel
He's on the move.
running away from us.
I think you're right.
I'm not going to
Nice
be able to
job.
chase for very long. I have to go.
That's all good. I got the idea on that one.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay. Yep, here we go. And I'm going to push out, and then we've got a little pilot musical chairs action happening in a moment.
Okie doke.
Goes a little sea cucumber, maybe.
Looks
Or-
like
It
it.
did look like it.
Yep.
All right, I'm pushing out, and then I'm going to hand off to Rye. She will be your pilot for the next 2 hours.
Okay. Thanks, Todd.
How are y'all feeling this morning?
Little tired, but good.
Doing all right. Still getting logged in the back row here.
Setting up all of our ID guides.
That's
Good,
right.
good.
Bye.
Bye.
And still loading the science portal.
Yeah.
It's just that one chat page that just
Just wants to spin around.
spin and spin and spin.
Oh, there we go.
It's a new watch, Todd. They don't know.
We don't know what.
What don't we know?
What don't we know?
Nothing.
We don't want to know.
Bye, Todd.
Looks like we got a bryozoan down there.
Do we want to see a bryozoan? Or do we want to move on?
Oh, we can keep on rolling, I think.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's got that joy gain. Sorry. I'm just undoing all of Todd's settings on the vehicle for maximum annoyance.
Nice.
All right, I'm getting a little stretched out here.
I guess if we can zoom in on any of these little white dots that we're seeing.
Roger.
It gives us a second chance to look at the sediment again, see if we're
Yeah.
seeing anything different.
See if I can fly the vehicle tonight. Let's see, let's see, let's see. You
can do it.
I can do it, I can do it.
You can do
We
it.
have faith.
I think I can, I think I can.
All right. Oh, Jacob, amazing. He turned my tilt on before I even asked. Okay, go for zoom, Dave.
Such a partnership.
Look at that crinoid.
Crinoid.
Whoop. Nice.
So you guys were talking about those being like reproductive?
Yeah, so that's really good memory. Yeah, so there's little sort of dense white parts on this crinoid feather star, and those are part of the reproductive parts. At some point, this animal is going to release those gametes, those baby
Okay, I'm gonna
crinoids into
pick
the water
up, dude. Just come on.
so they can spread out.
Yeah, I know we've been seeing more holes in the seafloor.
All right.
Mysterious burrows.
The mounds at the beginning of the
Yeah.
dive are really amazing too, and
There you go.
numerous.
And turn it off. Thank you.
Yeah, it looks really different than it did at the very beginning
Yep.
of the dive.
This is more crusty, kind of broken crust,
Yeah.
but I'm
Wow,
not
the
saying
seat is warm comparatively. Hang on, sorry. Gotta
Massive.
shed a layer here.
massive types of mounds. A little
right.
rearranging of the chairs up front.
Yeah, down to my t-shirt. It's crazy.
What? I have 3 layers on today.
The seat is so much warmer than the other seats, I think.
There's a mound.
It does feel a little warmer to me.
It's just the beginning.
Yeah,
Exactly. Let's
true,
just
true,
keep
true.
it on the DL, everybody.
It's perfect.
It's just fine.
This is great.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Of all the temperatures that exist, this one's the
Don't
best.
mess with it.
And this is where we get reminded, it's only changed 1 degree.
Yeah.
I guess scattered mounds on the seafloor, which is a little different.
Maybe if we see a hole, we'll look in it. Tough to see though.
Well,
Yeah, I will.
how
Yeah.
are we doing? We're at 5,072 meters deep.
What are those? Can you zoom in? There's something in the water column here. Can we see that?
You've got magic eyes, pilot.
Yeah, no, it was not that. They were, yeah, okay, come on. I think they were some little creature.
Got a nice little bryozoan coming up.
Yeah, lots of holes in the seafloor.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a bryozoan. I guess they were able to see an octocoral earlier on in the dive. That was after
Ooh.
we went off watch.
I was about to say, I heard Sandy mention that they hadn't seen one this previous watch.
Okay, so it's been a while.
Yep.
And just pilot FYI, it was like a skinny stalk, pretty low to the ground.
Okay.
So it's not going to be an enormous branching thing.
Yeah, roger.
FYI.
And with how light the sediment is, probably blends in fairly well.
Like this one?
If you see something,
yeah,
say
I'm
something.
sitting down. I see something, and I said something, and I'm also driving the bus, so.
You're doing it all up there.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
kidding,
thank you.
It's just keeping us entertained, too.
All right, go for zoom.
Like I heard like this one, and I'm sitting there like, where?
That's all I could say.
I don't think so.
What's that then?
I'm bringing my
Looks like
heading
a
around a
sponge
little
stalk,
bit.
and then
Crinoid, maybe?
yeah, I agree. I was wondering if it was like a splayed sponge bits, but yeah, there's a crinoid on the tippy top.
Huh.
Okay, I'm gonna pick up.
And a
Come wide.
shrimp, something. I don't know what that crustacean was that was on the outside of it. Interesting.
Perfect.
Nice.
Great. Zoom in for a second. No, sorry. I'll choose a different word for that. I'm giving it the beans for a second, Dave.
Okay. I'm on sort of autopilot here.
Yeah,
so
yeah. No, you're doing great.
if I hear zoom,
Yeah, that was a false.
automatic response.
False start.
That was entirely my fault.
No worries.
She was just testing.
I was like,
it.
wow, I'm going really fast.
Good
for a
reaction
second.
time. Zoomy, zoomy, zoomy.
Yeah, we could start working zooms into our vocabulary just to confuse everyone.
Just to make Dave go insane.
No confusing. That's another mound feature. Passing over.
All right, slowing down here.
That's a good amount of layback.
Yeah. How much is it?
Almost 260.
Ooh.
So we're on dive number 1011. That means the last dive was 1010.
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. What dive number did we start with?
1006.
Oh, right.
It must have been sweet to be on NA 100.
Okay, when I turn my tilts on. Tilt on, Jacob, please.
See
I
a
didn't
little
see anything of
I
which to
know.
tilt,
branch.
so
Go
item.
for zoom.
didn't register.
branched item on the seafloor. A little white object on the left too. Oh,
No,
looks like
not too much, eh?
Oh, that's a,
With a little pteropod test off to the left.
yeah, and a little pile of fecal cast on the left as well.
Yeah.
We're getting a good view of this sort of knobbly crust that we've been seeing throughout the dive.
Okay, come wide.
Thank you.
Nice.
That's right. And a little, looks like a glass or Cladorhizid sponge on the right.
Fly over it.
Yeah. Carnivorous sponge. That's something swimming.
Is that what? Oh. Okay, I went over it, but
I think it was one of the swimming polychaetes.
Ooh, a little fish.
I don't know what we got here.
Or a stalk. I can't tell.
there's
the
something
thing
over
in the
there too.
distance?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's okay, the
All
thing
right,
in the
I am,
distance. Is, okay.
pushing out in front of Dave, but
You're
yeah,
good,
so this
you're good.
thing, we'll take a look at that
Ooh.
and then. Okay, you want to see this?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Looks like it kind of
We don't have
fell
super long
over.
hair, but I will
a little overweight.
set down.
Looks like a glass sponge with a friend.
Hitchhiker.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, go for zoom.
Zooming in on a glass sponge
You
hexactinellid
can
with
push
an
in all the way,
anemone
Dave.
attached to the stalk.
Getting a little bit of my thruster wash here. All right.
Looks like it got a little heavy for the stalk. It's kind of bent over, or the
Okay, I'm falling
currents have
behind.
gotten up.
Come wide. Yeah.
I don't know what this is.
I gotta come this way.
Kind of looked like Hyalanema, would you
Yeah,
say?
I would say.
This thing?
Yeah, if you have it. if you
Yeah.
have time.
Okay. Give it a real quick, nice. Go for zoom before my.
Oh, we saw this on our
Yeah.
previous dive. A sort of
Okay.
mysterious,
Come wide.
spongy material that not sure what the origin is.
And I gotta come over here, right? Yeah.
Zoomy, zoomy.
We're bugging.
No econo mode. Keep your
Yeah.
eyes peeled.
Just barely catching up now.
Sea cucumber?
Holothurian maybe?
Yeah.
Stalk.
Stalk sponge.
Big
Looks
trail.
like, yeah, long trail. Where does the sidewalk end?
Alright. Is that a better position, Dave?
Is this maybe an urchin trail?
Yeah, it could be an urchin trail.
Alright.
Those larger trails
Yeah.
seem to
Can
be
make
urchins.
some big depressions in the seafloor.
Roger.
All right, let's see.
Excavating the mud along the way and moving around those crust pieces.
It's like whereas holothurians leave a clean path in their wake, urchins leave a path of shifting rocks and sand.
Yeah, they're like weightlifters moving around those blocks down there.
They just drag their way.
Nice.
For those of you just joining, we're here surveying the distribution, diversity, and density of the benthic megafauna substrate types and environmental conditions. The dive plan is to conduct a horizontal transect on the abyssal seafloor and to collect high-resolution visual and environmental data with our new MXD
Bigger
camera,
bryozoan.
which has been excellent. We are here going through different habitat types than usual, which was found through the softer or the acoustic backscatter.
Yeah, what is this?
This is a 36-hour dive. I don't
You
know
want to start pushing in, Dave, and I'll
how far
kind of
along we
float
are.
it? Oh, it's a holothurian.
Yeah, sea cucumber was suspended. I thought maybe it was on something, but
Just a floating holothurian.
Just sleeping.
maybe it's, yeah, taking a little pause.
Sand coma. Ate too much. Oh, no, it's doing the
hello.
crunches.
Oh, I love it when they do this.
Gotta get its exercise.
Doing
It's
the
in Zumba
worm.
class.
Nice.
Look at its dance moves.
Rock and roll.
Hey, they do call them the Spanish dancers.
Or maybe cha-cha-cha. Lovely.
Nice.
Sorry, Dave, can you 1 second? Can you just close the iris down a bit, mate?
I don't know if that...
Pull the colors out. There we go.
I don't know. It's
There we go.
underexposed now, mate.
Nice.
Yeah. But look at that.
Going
There
wide. We're going to move on.
They look so different
Woo.
from one to the next.
Yeah.
When they
Okay, come wide,
dance
Dave.
around.
Thank you.
If you were to grab that, what would it feel
And
like?
go back to whatever iris you
Squishy.
needed there.
Very squishy.
Squishy,
Like-
squishy.
Gelatin.
I think I
They
am
really should make
going this
sea
way.
cucumber toys.
Yeah. ripping forward.
Looks like maybe another one, different variety of sea cucumber.
Yeah, it kind of did.
I know, it's hard.
So
Vamos.
I'm Kahena, I'm the communications fellow. I'll be answering your questions this morning. I'm here from the University of Oslo.
There's a sponge. I'll do a little flyover.
Good morning, Kahena.
I
Good morning.
am super excited about this dive. We had a really, really great start last night, and it's just exciting to see some different terrain from what we've been seeing with the nodule fields. I think the question for today...
Oh, you've been doing such a good job of keeping track of my tool, Jacob. Thank you.
What should the question be? If you could...
What do you think this question should be?
See it?
I think it's a holothurian.
What are you most curious about?
Does look like another holothurian.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you want to take a flying zoom here, Dave?
Sure.
Go for zoom. And I'll just kind of...
So, holothurian or sea cucumbers hanging out on the
Yeah, here, I'll set down a little bit better.
And then you can see a little burrow behind it. Home of something else.
Okay. Push in. Nice. Cool. Oh, what's the little white? Can you push in further?
I think it might be a little polychaete.
Like under it?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Huh.
I remember we saw something like this on one of the earlier dives when the holothurian did sort of a somersault.
I don't know if I think a sea cucumber would offer much protection.
Do you think it's eating it? Or do they not do that?
No, it's probably eating material that the cucumbers got on the outside of it.
Yeah, yeah.
Or it could have just been accidental. But yeah, the holothurians aren't exactly like super clean, so plenty of material for the polychaetes to eat. Give them a little polychaete bath.
Ooh, okay. If you could get a superpower that's like an underwater creature superpower, like one of these guys, what would it be?
I want to use sonar with my head.
That's such a good nav answer.
That was a very quick answer too.
Yeah,
it's like
thought about this a lot.
It's like you've thought on this one for a while.
Are we interested in seeing this at all?
I think mine would be retracting into the ground like that.
Going
worm
once, going
did.
twice. Gone.
Retracting into the ground.
Not really sure what that one was.
If I ever want to avoid any situation, I can just slither into the
Yeah, I think we're still going 0.3, right?
We are, yeah.
Todd and I went 0.4 for a while. It was a little too...
All right, I'll pass it
It was a little
along.
too speedy. There was not a lot to look at for a while there, though.
I'm not sure. Is everyone on SPL this morning? Sorry, because I can hear Kahena too.
I'm on SPL.
Okay.
I can hear Kahena.
I am when I choose to be.
You are?
Yes.
Wow.
How do you decide?
I don't know, actually. It's more like an instinct.
Nice.
I just know when my presence is required and when not. Goodbye.
Do you want to go for zoom on these collection
Sure,
of
let's
whites?
take a look at the white bits on the
White
seafloor.
bits and bobs. Oh, there's a little swimming something.
Something.
Can push in.
Looks like a few pteropod tests and then something that looks different on the top.
Kind of push in on the top one, Dave, if you have any more. Okay, I'm gonna.
Kind of looks like an amphipod that's just
going.
Possibly dead.
Do you see legs or something on there?
On the very top, kind of sticking upward
okay.
instead of
Do you want
downward.
to double it quickly, Dave?
Interesting.
Okay,
See what I
come
mean?
wide.
Thanks, gang.
The doublet kind of reminds me of like when I go get my eyes done at the doctor and he's like,
optometry
one.
mode.
do you
Or
prefer
two.
One or two.
Yeah,
They both look the same.
Yeah.
That's kind of what I'm thinking.
Michael, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Michael Parrish. I am a marine scientist with the Ministry of Marine Resources. I'm very fortunate to be here joining for this expedition, at least the second leg of it. I typically focus on inshore science, so I'm excited to be learning pretty much everything that we're seeing down here in the deep ocean, rather than everything I typically see on the coral reefs. As for your question before about an underwater superpower, I've still been thinking about it in those few moments before.
We can come back around.
Yeah.
You're allowed to think about it a little
I
longer.
think I'm going to need to think a little longer.
You want to be
There's
selective. There are a lot of options.
You have
Yeah.
bioluminescence.
Oh, yeah.
You can ink yourself.
Wait, Jacob.
Don't steal everyone.
Don't steal.
I'm not taking them. I'm just giving
You already got one.
I already have sonar.
He's all taken care of. And I guess I'm the last one in the last row for right now. I am Amanda Demopoulos from the USGS. I'm a research ecologist specializing in the benthos, so animals that live on the seafloor and their environment. And been working in the deep sea for a few decades now, and
Do you want to do a snap zoom on that,
seem
dude?
to see something different and new. So thrilled to be here working in the abyss with you all
just push
within
in
the
for a
Cook
sec.
Islands.
I think it's just
And
more of this.
superpower, honestly,
Yeah,
I like the
take
get
your
up
mind.
and go that some of these animals have, like the octopuses that we've been able to visualize down here. So the fact that they can sort of hover and hang out and then all of a sudden scoop, disappear.
Flop
I like
their
that.
ears.
Yeah, I like that. Just flap your ears and go.
Speaking of which, I was actually going to bring up something separate from the octopus because I just thought of something.
Oh, good.
Camouflage.
Oh, yeah.
The changing
Yeah.
skin colors.
Yeah. Or you could just retract into the ground as well.
Yeah.
Or make
Have the
yourself
same
look
effect.
like tree bark or something.
It looks like a fish.
You might be seeing a fishy
It's a fish, it's a fish.
I want a little saltpass flying by.
All right, what do we think? Cuskeel?
I'm guessing cuskeel.
Go for zoom.
We're definitely keen to get a good view of the lateral line of the fish
Yeah.
and the head and
I don't see its
basically
little
everything.
fins.
Okay,
Oh, yeah,
you
there they are.
can push in, get the ID, Dave.
Its nose looks a little different now.
There you go.
Looks like a flatter face.
Yep, platter face.
I only see one lateral line.
Ooh, great shot.
Yep, only one visible
Alright.
lateral line that I can see.
Come wide. Nice. And just pulling up. Oh, sorry, wrong direction. Bye. Okay, meep meep. Dave says meep meep.
Would you be able to forward that email with the
I
IDs?
can, sure.
We also have been seeing a different kind of fish. Just FYI, so
Oh,
keep
cool.
your eyes out.
Exciting.
What kind of fish would that be?
I don't know. It has a proper like fish tail. Am
Oh,
I
yeah.
going? I think I gotta go over here. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, nice. Seems like Navrov is actually reading the right heading for now. What are you?
Ooh, what is that?
Okay, you want to snap in
Oh.
there? Looks like a sea
Oh.
spider, maybe.
I think it's an isopod.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, Menopsid.
Wow.
Isopod.
Hello.
It's kind of creepy.
You are very small.
Yep.
Okay, come wide.
We've only seen one sea spider on our watch at least.
Really?
Yeah, I think we ended up thinking it might have been an
Catching it.
isopod,
Okay.
but I thought it was a sea spider.
All right, I'm just gonna fly by this.
But this one is a type of isopoda, different group.
Looks
Just
like we've
do-
got an anemone on a sponge stalk.
Nice. All right.
Oh, someone just mentioned a pretty cool superpower. Superpower free diving to 5,200 meters.
Oh man.
That is what they're doing, I guess.
You know,
World's longest breath hold.
Indefinitely.
breathing underwater would be a pretty cool superpower too, and I didn't
Yeah.
even think about that.
That's true.
I
think-
got that on the last shift.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I already answered this question on the last
Did you?
shift
Yeah.
and said
Oh,
I
really?
wanted
My answer for that
Tinophore,
was gills.
Tinophore sparkly Tinophore lines, but I think I changed my answer and would like a lure like an anglerfish, and then when I open my mouth, it's like the really scary anglerfish teeth.
You know, they swim upside down, so I feel like that would be a little jarring.
Yeah. The lure could be like a permanent headlamp. What?
Dang, I guess we're on the same
Can you
wavelength
hear me better now?
with the earlier dive. They had the same question.
It's good. I have had more time to think about it this time. Okay, I have kind of forgotten about stalks, but if anybody sees sees what they think is an octocoral, let me know.
I'm not seeing much of anything.
There's some stalks
There's a little
here.
stalk here.
Do we
but
wanna?
yeah, let's take a closer look if you don't mind.
Yeah.
There's something in the distance, so.
Okay, go for zoom. Jacob, you're hired.
Yep, I'm basically an ROV pilot.
Yeah.
There's a really great sponge stalk here coming up off the seafloor. Looks like it's just the sort of remnants
Yeah.
of a sponge.
You can come wide. See if we can get anything in the.
Very impressed by the teamwork in the front row. I don't know what this was.
Yeah, let's hop over there. You can leave it on for just a second. I'm just gonna whoop. Backing up, beep, 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 beep. Oh, that's gonna be rough. Sorry. I might move on from that. Sorry, clumsy.
No worries.
Yeah, you can turn it off. Oh, what?
I don't know what that was.
It was one of those corals that kind of
The-
make that little acorn shape.
I'm having a lot of issues. Hang on, sorry. There we go. This one, yeah.
Hey, that looks like an octocoral.
Does it?
Oh,
Or
not
not an
quite, but a
octocoral.
coral coral.
Um,
That's a black coral.
Yeah.
yeah,
Go for zoom.
This is
I'm getting
the
a little behind
basket
here.
shape type.
And
Antipotherian.
also just thruster washing
The
it.
gale force
abyssopathes.
Oh boy.
Jacob,
Okay.
can I just see the ship on nav a sec, please?
Come wide.
Thanks, mate.
All right, I'm gonna get out ahead and then I can get some better, less
Okay,
screechy.
so I'm gonna say
Okay, you can turn it off.
black coral, Antipotherian.
maybe abyssopathes.
Yeah, I would do a question mark just in case.
Yep.
But I think it's what it is given the basket shape of it.
I feel like you just fed the coral for a month.
Probably.
Clean it off too.
When it rains, it pours.
Gave it a little bath. A little thruster wash. Wonder what the force of that is. It's like,
Yeah, I just gotta go faster. Roger. Oh yeah. All right, pushing out, and then we'll
And
start looking at things and stuff. Something over yonder.
looking
Over
at the different
yonder.
fish on that email, I think I was gonna lead towards the Porogatus.
Corrugatus.
Yeah.
It's a holothurian.
Sea cucumber.
Nice. Are we happy if I just fly
I think
over?
you're good with
All
flying.
right.
Pilot. Rise on the fly. Oh, fecal cast, sort of the same pattern that we have seen from those acorn worms.
Yeah, we saw one earlier with a big spiral of
Poop.
Poop. Yep.
Let's see. Who do we
Who
have
came up with the
tuning in?
question for the superpower?
I don't know.
Someone's been thinking creatively. I envy their brain power.
The superpower?
Yeah.
Oh, I just came up with that.
You just came up with it
Yeah.
magically?
Yep.
I'm so impressed.
It's a pretty common icebreaker topic, except this one is, you know, underwater themed.
Underwater theme. Okay.
Yeah.
I guess I don't get out and socialize very much.
Usually they're like, oh, if you could have any superpower, or if you could have any fruit on the tip of your fingers.
Fruit.
Fruit
like
on the tip of
available
your
all the
fingers.
time?
Yeah.
That's a weird
Raspberries.
way to take that.
Oh, I don't know.
Raspberries.
That'd
All
also
the
be a
time?
superpower.
They get kind of messy.
Like,
But I
do you
do
have to
like-
have them on your fingers all the time?
No, you can decide.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So you could turn them off and turn them
Yeah.
on.
If
okay,
I could
that's
make
okay.
fruit from my fingers, would you eat it?
Some people will sometimes say, like,
Why not?
I wouldn't eat it. You can eat your own fruit, I think. I'm sorry. Personal preference.
there's been debates of, like, water being a good one, being able to squirt water out of your fingers.
Ooh, that's
Or
cool.
Coke.
Ooh, that would be nice. Any
Carrot
kind of
sticks
beverage
for
of
fingers.
choice.
Yeah. My carrot sticks. That's a vegetable.
True.
I would say a prickle pear.
Oh, wow.
A
Because it
prickle
could be a
pear.
weapon
Prickle
and and a fruit, nourishing and helps protect you.
Breadfruit?
Yeah.
Breadfruit is so good.
You would never
It is
starve.
really good.
Oh, can we take a look at that on the right?
Bryozoan.
Yeah, you want to see the bryozoan?
Sure.
Yeah.
I'd probably do those little expensive Japanese strawberries.
Oh,
Oh, yeah,
true. You
the
mean the
$20
big
a
ones.
bin or something.
Oh, yeah. They get real pricey.
Go for...
Did you buy many of those when you were living there?
Hold it, hold it, hold it.
I got some.
Go for zoom.
They used to have them in little vending machines that they would restock.
Nice.
Damn.
Nice and fresh. I love
Vending
fresh
machine.
strawberries.
Strawberries.
Yeah, vending machines on every block.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fun.
If I could have like perfectly ripe papaya on the ends of my fingers at all times, that would be great. 'Cause
I like
those
the
are
fact that you can
expensive.
get cold and hot coffee and tea products
There you
from
go.
a vending machine on
Okay, you want to double it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's nice
but
that you can have the hot ones.
the Boss coffees were my favorite.
We're taking a look at a bryozoan here, talking about Japanese vending machines. Everything comes to mind.
Yeah. All right, you can come wide.
These bryozoans get food on the fly.
When I was in Japan, there was a
Picking
vending
up.
machine that had like fresh produce.
Oh, yeah.
Tilting
And it
up.
was like a neighborhood vending
All right,
machine.
you can
so
turn the
could, like,
tilt off.
drop off your produce in there and then grab a little bit.
Oh, that's cool.
It was really cute.
Nice.
Where was that? In
In
Japan?
Tokyo.
Tokyo.
The Japanese snack game is just off the scale.
Seriously.
Yeah.
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven is
Wanna,
crazy.
They don't play
Go
around.
for
What do
partial
we
zoom
got?
here. I'll
What
just
do we got
float
here?
and get the ID.
Oh, man.
We'll just maybe
Luckily.
get the ID.
Yeah.
Back to Okinawa in about 3 weeks. So, I'm
Are
looking
you?
for-
This
yeah,
is looking like another of the
I'm
same.
jealous.
looking forward to that.
Okay, is that enough for the ID?
I think so.
Yes.
Come
He's
wide.
looking at
Hi.
us.
Hello.
They're so grumpy looking, you
That
know?
one's pretty small.
Last time I had somebody shine
Yeah,
really
speaking
bright
of
lights
which-
in my eyes, I got quite grumpy too.
I think
Get
they're
our
blind
lasers
anyways.
back on.
Oh yeah, lasers. Yeah, we can do lasers. Oh no, my rubber duck. Okay. Okay, sorry.
You're what?
Your
Sorry,
rubber
I have
duck?
a rubber duck up here.
Is it a lucky rubber duck?
Just in case
I
anyone
didn't
thinks
even
she's
know.
I'm not lying.
That's
telling
cute.
fibs.
Very cool.
I can stick it to my forehead.
Technically, it's my rubber duck.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I totally just saw your
The
rubber duck.
Hyalanema sponge. Little rubber ducky.
What is
How did you
this?
like claim the rubber duck? How did that happen?
It was hanging up over here next to me
What?
by the nav toys, and then
We want to see this, right?
someone needed it.
Yeah, I
Yeah. Yes, please.
do. That looks
Yeah.
interesting.
Looks like
I wonder
a
if it's a
tunicate.
tunicate.
The thing is,
Yeah.
if you tried explaining to somebody that's not actually listening
Okay,
to
go
or
for zoom.
is part of this conversation, how you segue from Japanese snacks to rubber ducks
Nice.
that
That is
look at you as if you were nuts.
But
Wow.
that is the way to do it, in case anyone is
Oh, that's
wondering.
cool
Is that like
looking.
broken,
Yeah.
or is that normal?
No,
Yeah.
we saw one of these a couple of hours ago.
It's got like a spine though.
Yeah, and it's just blowing around in the breeze.
Do you want to double it? Will that help us?
It did with the texture.
I think you're going to double right through it.
Looks
Yeah,
like
I
it's
think
someone's
that's
There you go,
birthday.
see? That lattice.
Tunicate,
Yeah.
tunicate, and it almost looks like it's got some detritus inside
I'm
it.
gonna
Like
kind of tilt my heading a
Oh,
little
look at
bit,
the-
a tiny bit.
On
Yeah,
the right-hand
beautiful,
side, do you
Dave.
see those little specks?
Yeah.
that
Oh,
looks
yeah.
like little maybe eggs or something
Reproductive
else.
organs.
All
definitely
right,
seeing
come
detritus
wide.
too.
I'm falling behind.
So there's a tunicate sea squirt of the deep.
Picking up, and you can turn the tilt off.
That might have been
there.
some seagrass. You guys get seagrass around here, do you?
Yeah.
In the coastal
That was
zone,
a great shot.
Mike? Do
Sorry?
you get seagrass in the coastal zone?
No, we do not.
Okay,
In the bright
We do not
zone.
have any seagrass in the Cook Islands.
interesting.
Huh. That's interesting.
So what's it like living in the Cook Islands?
Very much like Hawaii, but a lot less people.
Yeah, that actually sounds very nice.
And
Ooh.
There's no surf on the Cook Islands, though.
yeah, there is definitely no surfing.
What's
What's
our?
that?
So
Swimming
we've got a
away.
barrier reef all the way
I
around.
can't really come up because
That's
I'm
Um,
right under Atalanta, but
At least,
He knows that.
actually, yeah, most
they
of the
know,
islands.
They know that you can't move around.
yeah. I know. It was like, oh, let me
think
swim
all of
right
them.
for the tow sled.
So, really nowhere you can just go run and jump into the water and go body
Another
surfing or anything like that.
crinoid, maybe.
It's all
Okay.
lagoon.
All right.
I do like Hawaii.
I've only been once.
What sort of temperatures does it get up to in your through your summer?
I'd say probably highest temperature would be mid 30s, maybe to 40.
Perfect.
It's pretty warm. It does get pretty warm.
That's pretty warm.
Yeah, but you got a nice ocean to go play into.
Exactly. A lot of people will just pick up a picnic table, take it and put it just inside the water.
Oh,
Nice.
that's awesome.
So they're sitting in the water, they've got their table for drinks and everything else that they want to take with them.
Nice.
And that's where they'll hang out for half a day.
That's pretty good. All right. Is this one that I can look at? Let's see. What are you?
Is it starting to get built up with big hotel
go
chains and
push in.
tourism?
I want to know what this is.
So we don't
Dave?
have too many big hotels on island.
Go
We've
for
got
Zoom,
a
Dave.
few.
Oh, it's a polychaete with a
Ooh,
little
polychaete
tail?
with a
There's a
long
little polychaete.
tail.
Is that just a different morphology, or is it?
I know we saw this before, so yeah,
Huh.
it's part of the
It's a flatworm.
animal.
Interesting. All right, it's
So-
right in my ROV now.
The front end of the animal, these annelid polychaetes, is the prostomium, and the back end is called the pygidium.
Pygidium.
So I think those are long appendages on the back end, or pygidium.
Oh,
What do you see?
nope. It's just a sponge stalk,
All right, roger.
possibly with some amphipods on it.
Yeah, and a little
The
bright
one to the
zone in
right,
front of
though?
it. This one?
Sure. Take a look at this.
I think it's maybe a tunicate on a thing. Let's see. Beep. It's a twofer. Okay. And go for zoom. I'll look at the front one, and then we'll go back and look at the back one.
With a nice little bryozoan in the background.
Oh.
So this is a kind of sponge.
I'll bring my heading around a little bit. There you go.
Maybe carnivorous?
It might be the carnivorous
Making a big
kind.
cloud, apparently. Okay, and that's a bryozoan in the back?
Yes, it
Yes.
is.
Okay, you can come wide. Tilting up. Yeah, you can turn it off. And there's another one of those spirals of...
Poo. It's okay. I say it all the time.
I was trying to remember the fancy name for it. Fecal cast? Yeah.
Yeah. Fancy.
The amount of times we talk about poop.
Hey, poop
It
is a
makes
big
the
part
deep
of
sea go
the deep
round.
sea.
Have you guys ever seen the book Everything Poops?
Yeah.
Yes. Isn't it everybody poops though?
I think it's everything.
Oh.
That's worth a Google.
Who is right?
Those sponges.
Looks like another Hyalanema glass sponge.
I agree.
We have seen lots of these, eh?
Yeah. Double checking the morphology of the swimma polychaete. See if I can get some better pictures. And maybe the long pieces are antennae, so rather on the prostomium. Doesn't look like too many have been photographed with really extended antennae like that, so it's pretty neat.
Oh,
I know we've seen
Jay,
it on
my
the
rubber
dives.
duck.
It's that little thing
What's
right
this
there
here?
by your lasers.
Yeah, what is that? Oh, I think it's
Another one of those
like,
black corals.
Yeah, it would be good to get a good look at.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to not get a dust cloud this time. Set down real gentle, like. Boop. Okay. Go for zoom. And hopefully it'll just kind of twirl in the wind here.
Oh, nice.
All right.
Getting a good look at the structures.
Kind of turned away from us, but.
Yeah. And even if we could double up on the pinnules, or sort of parts of the
go for it,
that'd
Dave.
be great. Nice. Taking a look at this black coral, which is...
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
Abyssopathes. Oh, you can see the texture on the structures along the branches, the pinnules.
Such a great
Just kind of gonna like
gorgeous.
rotate towards us maybe,
Oh, look at
hopefully,
that.
ideally.
And if we can look down towards the base a little more
Yep.
too.
It's kind of interesting how they can rotate
Nice.
so easily and just kind of adapt.
Okay, I gotta pick up.
All right.
Okay, come wide.
Looks like there's a little forum down at the
Yeah, I
bottom
know.
too.
That was perfect.
That was lovely.
Thanks.
Foraminifera.
Foraminifera, Zoe.
Alright.
Zeta 5-4.
I feel like they're the most popular tattoos for ocean scientists.
I'm just finding my camera again, but I'll...
Black corals?
Alright, yeah, go ahead.
Foraminifera.
Oh, really?
I see a lot
I
of
don't think I've
assemblages.
seen any before. That's wild. Huh.
I think Rennie has some.
A forum?
And then I know some people from my college too that have forams. And
Oh, that's cool.
yeah.
What's a foram?
It's a single-celled organism.
Oh.
It creates these agglutinating structures, glue together bits and bobbles from the deep sea to create kind of a shell. So it sort of repurpose, reduce, reuse, recycle. It reuses material around it.
And Rennie has one as a pet?
I thought he had one on it as a tattoo, but
I did.
Oh, okay.
But he definitely has a squid worm on his arm.
And
Yeah.
He also got a crinoid
He has a-
recently that's really cool.
he has a polychaete.
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a type of polychaete.
We used to have to look at forams and like look at the different assemblages to see what the environment was like.
Jaina has a very magical, I think it's like a, I can't remember if it's a basket star or a brittle star tattoo, but it's so awesome.
But yeah, I looked at some scientist arm and I'm like, that's not a real assemblage.
Ooh, stalk. That's not my lasers. What are... Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
want to push in, Dave? Do a little pirouette-ish, in theory.
I think we've
Definitely a
seen this
sponge.
before.
Probably, yeah.
Glass sponge. I think that's the Caulophacus
All right, come
related.
on. It's in my vehicle now.
Oh no, we're gonna hit it.
Oh no.
Oh, that's kind of a cool shot.
Ooh, interesting in silhouette.
Yeah. All right, going over.
You can see oftentimes different structures when they're backlit like that versus
The front.
front lit.
That's right.
Yeah.
It provides nice contrast.
So apparently, the UK comedian Richard Herring has written a series of books full of conversation starters. And one of his most famous ones was, would you rather have hands made of ham or armpits that secrete sunscreen?
Sunscreen, of
the
course.
hands grow back if
That's
you
crazy.
nibble at them.
If you have hands made of ham, you can't do anything. But like, I could just use some sunscreen, you know what I mean? I'd always have sunscreen available.
I think the sunscreen seems a bit more practical.
Oh.
Depends how hungry you get.
I'm about to say, but the hands of ham, you
Saves
would
you a
never go
buck.
hungry.
Yeah.
I mean,
You'd just be chewing on your hands. I already am chewing on my fingers all the time.
Yeah, I have strawberries on the ends of my fingers from earlier. So
Yeah.
I don't need ham as well.
You don't need ham too? What? Ham and strawberry is great though.
A whole charcuterie board on your hands.
Strawberry flavored ham.
I think I would
Now I
take
want
like
ham.
bread or cheese on my hands rather than ham.
On a side note, I think it is still too early to be talking about food when we have too long to go.
I don't know. I'd rather my hands smell like strawberries than cheese. Although my
true.
dog would probably rather my hands smell like cheese.
I think like practically speaking, yeah, the sunscreen, because sunscreen's really expensive.
It really is.
But also I just
Especially
hate
in the
the
Cook
smell
Islands.
of sunscreen.
A
Like,
bottle of
does
sunscreen is like $30 in the
I
Cook
know.
Islands.
Really?
Seriously? Yeah.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Would it
Especially if
only
you're like
come out,
allergic to the generic like stuff.
You need to become a sunscreen salesman in the Cooks.
Yeah. I'm gonna quit ROV to sell sunscreen.
Well, they know we're going to buy it.
Yeah.
Shipping
Just for
containers are
kicks, I looked up
expensive.
the swimming worm. It's part of the acrocerid family, and they can have really long appendages, including like the one we saw with the long, what looked like antennae. And of the acrocerids, the one we were just talking about is part of them, the squidworm. So the common name squidworm belongs to that swimming group.
Squidward? Squidward?
Definitely
Oh.
Squidward. Oh, and a fish.
We did. Yeah.
And a bryozoan.
6.
Sorry, I'm trying to get the ID on this. Just give me a zoom for the ID.
Cuskeel.
Yeah. Alright. There.
And we're good.
We go. Okay. Come on.
Still looking like another of the Porogatus.
If you could have a vending machine with unlimited supply of anything.
You are really going to hear my stomach
Ooh.
grumble from the other side of the room, aren't you?
Guinness.
Guinness.
Nice.
It's a very patriotic answer there. It's a food group.
Absolutely.
Have you ever had a Guinness float? Or is that like blasphemous to you? Okay. Just kidding.
You'd be a good
Have you
host.
seen their little perfect pour machines where they just kind of vibrate?
Cheat.
Yeah.
Cheat.
Yep, they want to give you the they're like, it's the perfect amount of head on your beer. They did define it. Guinness has defined it. Ooh, we passed over a little sea cucumber that's
okay.
spiky.
I thought you saw something actually cool, but
I like sea cucumbers.
I do too, but we've been seeing a lot of the same ones.
And their superpower is flight and flexibility, both of which are things that I would like.
And they can do unlimited abs.
That's true. They do have pretty good abs.
Yeah, all those crunches.
Yeah.
You can't do like 90 crunches in a row.
I can't.
I think I can. I really tried.
Yeah, how do they actually absorb anything from there?
Well, I imagine a lot of it is just this actual sediment.
I kind of think of them as like the combines of the sea.
That's actually another superpower, is eating dirt.
Yeah, eating dirt. I mean, you can do that too, Jacob, if you really try.
I don't think it would agree with me.
It honestly looks like we're in outer space right now.
Yeah.
This is what I imagine it to look like.
What are the odds I could get a blanket out of that Craftsman box?
There's a blanket right behind Dave.
Oh, never mind. Then I can just get one from... Thank you.
Swaddle, Jacob.
My legs are cold. I think it's just the nighttime, you know? It just gets really cold in here and the sun's down.
You didn't dress
Is
for
this a Delta
success.
blanket? No, this is a Fiji Airways blanket.
Yeah.
We're thieves now.
It's just me.
It's just you?
It's just me. I'm responsible for most of the blankets in this room.
Sometimes
do they
I
expect
forget.
you to leave the blankets?
that a
Like, do they
Tinafor right
reuse
there?
them?
Yeah, they reprocess the
Sorry,
blankets.
did someone...
We just flew over what looked like a Tinafor maybe on the
Okay,
seafloor.
router.
Saw the iridescent channels down inside.
Oh, okay. Good spot.
But yeah, all your blankets are reused. Just, you know, FYI.
They just repackage them?
They wash them, they send them to a facility where they wash them, and then they put them back in new bags.
This is just a sponge
Good.
again. Yeah.
Looks like it.
Fly over it. Do a little meep.
Your headphones get thrown away though.
Do they?
Those little cheap recyclable ones. That's what,
Man.
they put it on the package. They're like, please take me home. And it's like, first of all, no one doesn't use no one's using wired headphones.
Except for
Speak
when
for
you want
yourself.
to plug into their TVs or monitors.
I love
those are nice. Yeah, they usually...
I love my wired headphones.
I think using your phone on planes to connect to their Wi-Fi and get like movies, that's the future.
I have a little adapter that lets me still plug my wired headphones into my phone that has no jack on it.
And Jacob, you say that now,
I
but
have
wait
one of
until you
those
fly
too.
Hawaiian Airlines, and using your phone is also your screen.
So that's what I'm saying.
That's awful.
I like it. They even have a place where you can hook your phone up. I guess I have a nice phone, so it doesn't matter. If you had a flip phone, that'd be horrible.
Yeah, but I mean, having a screen on a plane, that's, actually a screen you can look at, not just your tiny phone.
Yeah.
Oh. You're not on SPL, Dave.
By design.
Just imagine what he's contributing.
I think United's moved to almost all of their planes don't have screens anymore.
Maybe the real Dave is the friends we made along the way. Yeah, my imaginary friend, Pilot Dave.
The glass sponge coming up.
Let me know if you want to see anything.
Take a look at the
this
carnivorous
one,
sponge
yeah.
on the left. Yeah.
I like these ones. They look like umbrellas.
Yeah.
Meep, meep, meep. Yeah.
Parapluie.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Just trying to not sit on the other sponge. Beep, 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 beep. All right, go for zoom. Looks like it's got a little something, something.
Zooming in on a
It's like red. Is that
Oh
carnivorous
yeah,
in
it
the
does
background?
look like one of those cocktail umbrellas.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Can you kill the lasers, Jacob?
Yeah,
And
graduating
I'm
the lasers.
tilting up a little bit, Dave. There we go. Okay, framed up. Go for...
What if that little bulb is right below it too?
Yeah.
Well, they're known to trap animals with these hooks on their bodies and then envelop them once they trap them with their own tissue.
Is this a carnivorous sponge?
So
get going, so come on.
This carnivorous sponge may have already started growing tissue around one of its caught prey.
Yeah. I'm going to tilt down a little bit.
Do you want your lasers back?
Just kidding.
It's like a sci-fi movie. There's a movie that I'm thinking of every time I talk about these sponges.
Really turned around, maybe.
I'll figure out what it is.
Let's see.
Or the animal, whatever the alien monster creates like a cocoon around its prey.
What's my heading look like here?
There's a bunch that do that, I think, unfortunately.
Yeah.
I need to go
Alien versus
over
Predator.
here.
Or like the aliens from that thing.
And I'm thinking aliens, I think.
Oh, geez. Where am I?
We've lost the ROV.
No!
No, there I am.
There you are. You're getting brighter.
Just every time I move,
I see the light.
I see the light.
It's crazy how easy it is to lose the ROV.
Oh,
sure.
Bye-bye. Later.
I don't know why I made a turkey sound for that, but I could have gone like the Zoidberg sound, like whoop, 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 whoop.
What was that?
The Zoidberg sound from Futurama.
Oh my goodness.
No, the turkey sound was so much better.
Turkey's good. We're gonna have to bring that up later. Turkey sounds for swimming shrimp. What else? What other sounds do we make? We're backing up the ROV.
Beep, beep,
oh,
beep,
beep, beep, beep.
What's on the right there? That blob.
I just used every brain cell to figure out which direction right was. Yeah.
It's
this
a
one?
rock.
Yeah.
I just
I
saw
don't know if we resolve what this is. We've seen it a few times
I've seen it a lot.
But there's someone coming up in over yonder.
Oh, maybe.
There's a fish down there too.
Yeah.
We passed.
Yep.
All right.
And that was going to be just a fish.
Oh, what? Oh.
It's a fish. It's not a sea urchin, it's a fish.
Is it a fish, though?
It is a fish from
Yes.
It is a faceless
Go for zoom. Fish with no eyes, a fish.
Eyes without a
Yeah.
face? Face without the eyes?
Want me to turn the lasers off? I'm
Load
lasering
up,
its face.
okay. I am floating up. Ooh, nice view of its fins there.
That's lovely.
And there we go. Bye.
Faceless Cuskeel.
I feel like they've just been getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah, that one was big.
Got lots to munch on down here.
This is awkward. We're going in the same direction.
We already said goodbye.
I already said bye.
He's telling us to go this way. Or they are. I don't know if that was a female or a male fish,
It's
by
still
the way.
like right below me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, you're good. I don't normally need my...
Oh,
Whoa,
no.
going straight into the... Don't land on the fish, right?